Hi all. So we'll start setting up API gateway by B2ALABS, that is the smart gateway. If we do take a look on smart gateway, what it does and what are the abilities of the smart gateway, you can go into the documentation and check out the details about it, how to install in Docker, Kubernetes, Shift, on-premise, everything you can check. So let's begin with installing smart gateway on Docker. You can see there's certain documentation that is provided for installing the smart gateway on Docker using Docker Compose. So we'll utilize the same documentation and try to install smart gateway on Docker. So let's get started. So you should have a Docker running on your machine. So if take a look on this one, they should be it should be up and running, right? And it should have Docker Compose installed on your system. Okay, so I've already copied the documentation on Visual Studio, right? Docker is up and running. I've entered all the details here, so you can see the OAuth and the OAuth URL for the key log and all. I have already set it up. So let's get started. So if I enter Docker Compose up, so it should start creating containers. So after getting the containers started, we'll be able to start the smart gateway. So you can see it has started the Mongo. Now it is starting the queue. Let's check what all containers are up and running. So it's still starting the gateway backend service dev portal. Okay, it started. So let's check if the UI is up and running. So the screen is up and running, and now let's go to API gateway. You can see there are default products, default API, and the default versions already available. So if you want to check out like how to register your gateway and how to register your API on the gateway, you can check it. This is the default API. It has all the default versions to it. We can create the product from here, and also we can edit the details of those APIs. So this is it for now. Thank you.